A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss some questions related to definite integrals. So class, in previous lecture I have also completed questions related to definite integrals, related to probabilities, related to properties of definite integrals. So see, now question is, integration over 0 to pi by 2 sine 2x into 10 log of 10x dx, not 10, this is log of 10x dx. This is the integration. Now we are going to consider let I is equal to integration over 0 to pi by 2 sine 2x into log of 10x dx. Now we can write I again, or by using the formula we can write f of x dx is equal to f of a minus x dx. Since integration over 0 to a fx dx, we can write integration over 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Therefore I is equal to, we can write 0 to pi by 2 sine of 2 times, at the place of x we have to put pi by 2 minus x. So this is pi by 2 minus x with log of 10 pi by 2 minus x dx. Now this result, what we can write? This result will be pi minus 2x. So pi minus 2x means sine of 180 minus theta. Result will be sine 2x. Result will be sine 2x. Now integration over 0 to pi by 2. This is sine 2x, same result, into log of 10 of 90 minus theta. Result is cot theta. So this one we can write also cot theta means log of cot x dx. Now see, consider equation 2 and this is equation 1. Now from equation 1 and 2, what we can write? From equation 1 and 2, we can write from equation 1 and 2, we are going to add equation 1 and 2. So sine 2x, integration of sine 2x, this is common, and in bracket result will be log of 10x plus log of cot x curly bracket closed, this is dx. Now log m plus log n, formula is log of m into n. So what will be the result? Result will be 2i is equal to integration over 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x into log of tan theta into cot theta, result is 1, and now dx. And now this result, you know, log 1 value is 0. So what we can write? Since log 1 result is 0, therefore 2i we can write 0. This implies I is equal to 0. And now this one I, we can write integration over 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x into log of 10x is equal to 0. Now this is the answer. You can see. This is the answer. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is next question is integration over 4 times integration over 0 to pi 0 to pi, this is x sin x whole upon 1 plus cos square x dx. Now this is our question. So this one we can write 4 times sin x also, means what we can write this function? See, given I is equal to or now consider, we are going to consider let fx is equal to four sin x upon 1 plus cos square x. This implies f of pi minus x we can write 4 with pi minus x upon 1 plus cos square pi minus x. One plus cos square pi minus x. Suppose, and after solving, this result is sine of pi minus x. So f of pi minus x result we can write 4 times sin x whole upon 1 plus cos square x. 1 plus cos square x. Now what we can write this result? So what we can write this result? From fx and fx minus x. So here is some property for fx is equal to f of a minus x. This expression integration over 0 to pi fx dx is equal to, we can write 2 times, or 0 to pi by 2 we can write. Means this format we can write pi by 2. This is x time fx. So this is pi by 2, 0 to pi, pi by 2, 0 to pi, and fx dx. Fx dx. Now this expression we can write 4 times integration over 0 to pi x times sin x dx whole upon 1 plus cos square x 1 plus cos square x dx is equal to 4 into result pi by 2 integration over 0 to pi by pi 0 to pi sin x 0 to pi sin x dx upon 1 plus cos square x. Now this is the result, and after integrating, what you will get the result using property 3. Also we can write this is 2 pi. So 2 pi, its integration, suppose you are going to consider t is equal to cos x, so result will be minus dt 1 plus t square t. So minus time we can write minus 2 pi tan inverse t. So minus 2 pi tan inverse t, and t result we have considered x is equal to 0, then this is 1, and x is equal to pi, then this is minus 1. So after integrating, this result you will get, and now after putting the value, what you will get the value? You will get minus 2 pi in bracket. So suppose 2 pi and upper limit lower limit change. So tan inverse pi by 4 minus pi by 4. So this will be plus pi by 4 and this result will be pi by 2. Pi by 2 multiplied by 2 pi. So 2 pi multiplied by pi by 2, result you will get pi square. Pi square. Now pi square is the answer. You can see pi square is the answer. Now see. Now see. Now next question is, suppose integration over, we are going to solve minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, suppose sine square x dx. Now you know this is the even function or odd function. First of all I will check. I have to check. So see, let fx is equal to sine square x. So this implies what we can write about fx? X is equal to minus x. Let. Then f of minus x, what we can write? F of minus x we can write minus time or sine square minus x. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So this one we can write f of minus x, result is minus 1 to the power 2 sine of x. And this result we can write sine square x. Now you will see. So what we can see? This is even function. Even function. Now in case of even function, what we can write the formula? See, when integration over minus a to a, fx is equal to 2 times 0 to a, fx only for fx is even function. Fx is even function. So what we can write its result? Its result we can write from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sine square x dx, we can write 2 times integration over 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. And now sine square x dx, you know this is 1 minus cos 2x by 2 also. 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Now see. And this one also we can write, suppose this is I. Let I is equal to sine square x 0 to pi by 2. Now what we can write? This I we can write I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. This is sine square pi by 2 minus x. So result will be cos square pi by 2 x dx. So pi by 2 minus x, result will be cos x dx. We have used the formula integration over 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. We have used the formula. And now when you will add, suppose equation 1 and equation 2. So when you will add equation 1 plus equation 2, you will get the result integration over 0 to pi by 2 sine square theta plus cos square theta, result will be 1 dx. Now 1 dx result will be x. So what will be the result? What you will get the result? And here we can write this is from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So limit is from 0 to pi by 2. So 1 dx result is x. Now what we can write? See. Now this result will be x. So pi by 2 means pi by 4, means we can say I is equal to pi by 4. Now when you will put this, result is 2 times I, and I result is pi by 2 into pi by 4, result you will get pi by 2. Now pi by 2 is the answer. Pi by 2 is the answer. Now you can see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is zero to pi next question is 0 to pi or 0 to 2 pi, we can say integration over 0 to 2 pi cos to the power 5x dx. So cos to the power 5x dx, this is odd or even? So let fx is equal to cos to the power 5x, we have considered. Now f of 2 minus or 2 pi, this is given 2 pi, this implies f of 2 pi minus x, what we can write? Result is cos to the power 5 2 pi minus x. And you know cos of 2 pi minus x result is lies in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant the value of cos is positive. So what we can write? It's a result we can write f of 2 pi minus x result is cos to the power 5x. This implies we can say fx is equal to f of 2 pi minus x. Fx is equal to f of 2 pi minus x. So what we can use the property? This is odd or even. So we can write therefore integration over 0 to 2 pi cos to the power 5x dx, we can write 2 times integration over 0 to 2 pi 2 times integration over 0 to pi, not 2 pi. Cos to the power 5x dx. Now you can see. And this expression, by using the formula, we can write, when you will put fx is equal to minus x, or at the place of x you will put minus x, so you will get minus fx. So 0 to 2 pi, f of a minus x, result is minus time f of ax. Since f of pi minus x, result you will get minus time f of x. Therefore, what we can say? We can write, therefore, integration over 0 to pi cos of 5 to the power x, result you will get 0. You will get 0. Now 0 is the answer. And 0 is the answer. See. Now this question is totally completed.